By the way, I'm using a new phone, so it might look a bit dull because I don't understand the setting on this one. I don't know what is happening. Could be a cheap phone. Whenever you're buying these type of oil, just remember that the bush in it takes up a lot of space. Therefore, you're getting less oil. So this is aloe vera and jojoba. I hear that is jojoba, and not jojoba. Still has the plastic on it and thing. Arts Workfly. Alright guys, so I am back. It's now 10:05. My screen is dirty. 10:05. I'm just coming on. So I promised you guys a haul. I'm not sure how many minutes is left on this phone. By the way, I'm using a new phone, so it might look a bit dull because I don't understand the setting on this one. I don't know what is happening. Could be a cheap phone. This phone tells how many minutes I have for videoing, but this one doesn't. So I'm not sure how long this can go. Alright, but nevertheless, this one is full, so I'm using that one because I can't be bothered to transfer files from here right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the haul. Now remember, I went out to get hair supplies. All my hair supplies are done. I went out to get the gifts. Well, the gifts for the gift basket for a student for the best drawing. So I went out and got some things for that. They will be receiving their prize on Friday coming. I went out to get some backdrop materials, still not done as yet. But I think I'm gonna use what I have at home to make a nice backdrop. But we see how that goes because I really want to include a little bit of gold on what I'm going to do. But stay tuned. You're gonna set up that backdrop with me. Um, I went out to get buy things from the supermarket and vitamins for my kids, and I went to B&B to collect some packages. So all of that is mixed up together. So let's see what I bought today. So you guys came along with me, all right, because I didn't go in all the supermarkets and record, but this is what I got. So this is like a runner, and this is 1995. It's so nice and smooth. So this is gonna be for the backdrop. Now this backdrop, this backdrop is just a lazy backdrop. Whenever I don't feel to go and set up or go in that area to do a video, I will just use this backdrop here, just a blank backdrop. Um, and I also went to get Father's Day gift. Nothing too special because he's not that type of person. But I went out and got a gift. Right. Um, you love this type of things. I'm wondering if I should have gotten the black one instead of this tone. We'll find out if he likes it or not. So Father's Day is coming up and I got that. I think I'm a bit low on energy. Let's spice it up a little bit, alright guys? So I got bread. Alright, so I didn't ask for an extra shopping bag, but anyways, I think I prefer this one. So as you guys have seen, I've gotten the orange, the green, and the blue, and I think I prefer the blue out of all of them. The blue smells so good. So this is my go-to, my one and only go-to from now. This is my favorite. So that is what I did. I used all three, and this is my favorite. So I'm gonna stick with that. I went out and got some tiny whiteys for my son. This one is for my hair. It's braid lock. I'm not sure if it can use as edge control, but that's what I'm going to use it for. The reason why I bought it is because it says black castor oil. So from now I'm only going to use aloe vera and castor oil products in my hair. So hopefully when this one is done, I find a different one and see which one I like the most, and then I stick to that one. Alright, so can't wait to try this one and see what happens, guys. If I like it, if not, I will not be buying this one. And I also bought, I'm gonna do an updated hair review thing because I bought something else. I'm not sure if it's working for my hair, but I'll show you guys now. This is for the baskets, and stay tuned for that video when I'm going to prepare the basket, because I'm not even sure how I'm going to do it. I've never prepared a basket before. This is also for the basket. This one I'm going to use for second and third place prize. These are some elastic bands for my daughter. I still use them in my daughter's hair. This is to go into the basket, the art supplies. This one is black castor oil. It's very thick. I like this one, and it's the cheapest I could find. And it's not even the black one. I thought it was the black one, but it's the clear one. Should I open it before? This is cold press. I don't like the cold press. I like it roasted. Oh man. Then I'll use, but I will use this and see how I like it. But I can't find anybody on the road selling. I probably just need to buy the seed and do it myself. That's what I'm gonna do now. That's if I can even get the seed. Guys, I'm not used to this talking business again. My throat hurting already. I've got this wallpaper. Turquoise is my favorite color. This is why I decided to get this one. And it can cut up and use in small pieces if I don't want all of it. So that's a good thing. Alright, so in this one, alright, these I'm gonna use for still life, but I also want to do a video on it. I'm not gonna tell you what the video is about. Just stay tuned for that. So it has cucumber, sweet pepper, corn, pumpkin, ginger, tomato, potato. What is this one? It has eggplant. What does this looks like? That slimy thing, I don't remember what it's called. Oh, this is to go on the basket. No, I've never seen this type before, but it was cheap, so I bought it. So the colors are just mismatched. So that's why I bought this one, and it was cheap. Alright, so most of these are the art supplies. This one is for moi. When I'm doing like projects and stuff like that, for For those who don't know, I also do projects and stuff like that. So if you need anything like that, you can hit me up. Okay, guys, you can call me. Um, this right here are some paint brushes. This one is for me. I'm all out of glue sticks. This one is for the basket. This one is to give away. Baskets. Thought about one. This is for my appraisal on Monday. I'm all out of elastic bands, so I got that. Alright, so this appraisal or the baskets. So I have these. It's, what is this? How much come in there? 12 in each. So that's good. This is for the basket. I'm gonna make a video packing the basket, guys. I was going to put this in the basket, but then I remember that my daughter needs one, so I'm gonna give it to her instead. Alright, so this is the product that I use. It hasn't failed me yet. So instead of like using water alone, I use this. So this is aloe vera and jojoba. I hear that is jojoba, and not jojoba. Yes, so yeah, about that. This one, dog for me. Um, Paints for the basket, basket, basket. Me, baskets. I'm not sure, probably me are the baskets. Probably me, baskets. Alright, so this one I bought again. I'm loving this one. It really puts a lot of shine in your hair. No, I bought this from a local person. She was making it and selling them on the road. It's not an official store or anything. I was just passing. I was just passing and I realized that she was selling these, and it's called Shasha's Freshness. Alright, so the graphics on it is not as good. It seems like she's just a trying person, so I supported her business. Complete herbal oil. Directions, it says warm and apply over the hair and entire body. So this should be warm. Oh, I guess. I'm not seeing all the ingredients because, as I said, the print is not good at all, and it's not even a local number on it. But anyways, it has organic neem, peppermint, coconut. Not seeing the others, so I wouldn't recommend buying like the products with the bush in it, because whenever you're buying these type of oil, just remember that the bush in it takes up a lot of space, therefore you're getting less oil. So I wouldn't recommend that. It's just that I wanted to support her and to see if this really works for my hair. Okay, guys, and it has peppermint. Remember, I had a bad experience with peppermint before, so I want to try it in a different light. I'm gonna definitely pray over this bush thing and use it. Alright, so we'll see. I have a little bald spot here, guys. I'll soon show you how the hair looks, but not right now. I have a little bald spot here from a long time, but it doesn't seem like it's growing out. So So I'm gonna use this in this space and see what is happening. Alright, so that's it for that bag. So I'm gonna put it back now. Alright guys, so I was all out of the blue magic. So I got one. Still has the plastic on it and thing. Definitely recommend this. Definitely recommend this one. Alright, so I bought some vitamins for my children. These are what they use. Gummies. And I haven't finished the journal as yet. So I bought this for the journal. But I'm thinking that I bought some already, but I don't remember. But I will let you know in a different blog. And I bought some shavers. What's that blue thing? Oh Lord, it's perfect. I bought this because it's only gonna be one basket and then a gift bag. Then I bought this. So I bought these. So I bought these two. It's very thick. Very thick. It's gonna take at least 2 years. 2 years to finish. These are for my printer, some white paper, bag, gift bag, sketchbook for the baskets. And this right here is a gift for Father's Day, and it's crushed up. Yeah, so this are gifts. So that's it for this bag. Alright, so also got this for my kids, wormwood and vitamin B complex. Right, yeah, they're taking their vitamins. No, these are packages that I collected from B&B. Alright, so I'm gonna end the video here and do an unboxing. So stay tuned for the next video, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye. Alright, to reply. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.